Hello, dear students. After a long time, we will start chapter 6, which is 6.1. I have given complete notes. Now, 6.2. In 6.2, we have some rules for the exponent that we need to follow. For example, let us take, just say it is 2 by 3. If it is 2 by 3 power 2, so simply we used to do 2 is 4 and 3 is 9. But in this chapter we are going to do 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. Let us take an example. Just it is minus 2. If it is minus 2, we need to write it in reciprocal, like 2. Reciprocal of 2 is what? 1 by 2, means fraction. If it is 2 to the power minus 2, so how will write? 1 by 2 to the power plus 2. Okay? Reciprocal. Minus, it will be plus. Another example, let us take. Suppose 9 to the power minus 3. If it is 9 to the power minus 3, then 1 by 9 to the power plus 3. Simple. Fraction. Make it the fraction at the base. But here, if it is 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. As I told you, we need to make it in the form of fraction to write in reciprocal form. Here, already fraction is there. So, fraction also can be written in the fraction form, but it will be double. That's why simply what we used to do is what? We will interchange the fraction. Like, if it is 2 by 3, we will write 3 by 2 to the power 2. 3 by 2 to the power 2. 2 by 3 will become what? 3 by 2. And minus plus. Minus will be plus. Now simply 3 is 9 and 2 is 4. Same. 4 by 9 but 9 by 4. Opposite. I hope you understood how we are going to do it. Okay. The next one is what? Suppose any number 9 to the power 0. Any integer whose power is 0, okay, considered as 1. Any integer. If it is 10945, this one 0. Answer is 1. Okay. Anything whose power is 0, we are taking it 1. Okay. Let us start exercise 6.2 from question number 7. Question number 7 is, simplify. Question number 7 is, simplify and evaluate the following. Simplify and evaluate the following. First, Roman number 1. Roman number 1, as you can see, 3 to the power minus 2 plus 3 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 3. Here, 3 to the power minus 2, 3 to the power minus 1, 3 to the power 0, this is positive means no problem. If your power is positive means no problem for that. Okay, simply how we used to do before, we will multiply. But here, see, 3 times. That means 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. But here, 3 2 times, but minus. We cannot multiply 3 2 times 3 into 3. First, minus will be converted to plus. So, this 3 we can write 1 by 3 to the power 2. 1 by 3 to the power 2 minus, this way plus now. Again 1 by 3 to the power 1 minus, so plus. Plus, as I told you, any number whose power is 0, consider it 1. Here 3 times, positive. Positive means we don't need to convert it to the negative, right? Positive, we want the positive. So 3 times, that means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Now, this 1 by 3 2 times. 3 2 times, not 3 2s are 6. 3 2, okay? 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. Again 1 by 3. 3 ones, so only 3 plus. This 27 and 1, that means 28. Okay. As I told you, between the fraction plus or minus, that means we need to go for the LCM. This is 9 and 3. So if we take out the LCM of 9 and 3, 9 and 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. That means we are getting how much? 3 3s are 9. So 9. 1 by 9 into 9. You know, 1 by 9 into 9. 1 by 9 into LCM multiply. 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, cancel. So 1 1s are 1 plus 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into LCM 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. That means 3 1s are 3 plus this 28. There is no base. No base means simply we should write by 1. Okay? Because 28 by 1 means how much? 28 only. Now, since it is 1, directly will multiply 28 into 9. So 28 into 9. 9 is the 72. 9 is the 72. 9 to the 18 and 7 25. That means 252. Okay. Now 9. This 252 plus 3 plus 1. 252, 253, 54, 55, 56. That means 256 by 9. This is the Roman number 1. Let us do Roman number 2. In Roman number 2 we have 5 by 3 to the power minus 1. So 5 by 3 minus, that means we need to make it plus. Plus means what? We need to write in reciprocal, but it is already in fraction. That means we have to interchange the fraction. That means 5 by 3 will be written 3 by 5 to the power plus 1. 5 by 3 is what? 3 by 5 minus, now it is plus. Now here 10 ones but minus, so 1 by 10 to the power, 1 by 10 to the power how much? Plus 1, minus, so plus 1, so 1. Now 3 ones, that means 3. 5 also 1, so 5. This 1, so 1. 10 only once, so 10. That means we need to go for the LCM of 5 and 10. Let us take out the LCM of 5 and 10. If we take out the LCM of 5 and 10, we are getting 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. Again 2 ones are 2. So 5 twos are 10. LCM we have how much? 10. Now 3 by 5 into 10. So 3 by 5 into 10. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. That means 3 twos are 6. 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into LCM 10. 1 by 10 into 10. That means 10 10 cancel what? 1. That means how much we have? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 10. This is Roman number 2. Okay? Let's do Roman number 3. Roman number 3, 2 to the power minus 3. That means it is 1 by 2 to the power plus 3. Correct? Minus is there, so we need to write 1 by. Okay, reciprocal. Minus 2 by 3, minus is there. That means 3 by 2 to the power plus 1. Okay, 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus, so plus. Now 1, so 1. 2, 3. That means 2, 3 means what? 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Minus 3 ones, so 3. 2 also ones, so 2. Now LCM of 8 and 2. Let us take out the LCM of 8 and 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. This is only 4, so 4 1s are 4. That means 4 2s are 8. 8. 1 by 8 into 8. 1 by 8 into 8. 8 8 cancels. That means 1. Minus 3 by 2 into 8. Again 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 8. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. That means 3 4s are 12. 12. Now, so 8, we have 8. Here plus, here minus. Plus into minus, minus. 12 minus 1, 11. But minus side is bigger, isn't it? That's why minus 11. That is a solution for Roman number 3. Try to do Roman number 4 and Roman number 5.